To actually get your account registered, you need few requirements. First of all, you need an email address to carry out this registration. Secondly, you need a Google Authenticator app. This can be installed either on your Android or your iOS phone, or you can install it on your PC with an emulator app, you understand, so that you can actually use to solve your OTP issue. Then the next thing that you actually need is a bank account that you use to link to KDP. You get. Then the next thing you actually need is your browser that you actually use to do the registration. So the first thing you want to do is to come to any browser that you're actually using, and you type amazon.com. you get. So you actually get to Google, then just click on this one that you're actually seeing, amazon.com. you get. Then it will take you to the Amazon website. So this is the Amazon website, the Amazon shopping website, you get. So the next place you actually want to come is this point that you're actually seeing, sign in. You come, just click on sign in, you understand. See, if you have an Amazon account already, you can just put your email here or your phone number and continue. But since you are actually creating a new account, you come down and you see create your Amazon account, new Amazon, you understand. So you just click on it, you understand. So it comes to this place where you need to now create your Amazon account. So the next thing you need to do is to input your first and last name. Okay, so let's fill our first and last name. So input your email. So this place that is saying mobile number or email, please don't input your mobile number. Make sure that you input your email address here. Please make sure that you input your email address here. Then the next thing is to choose your password. Okay, then re-enter your password. Okay, so when you've entered your password, the next thing you just have to do is click on verify, you understand. So you click on verify. So all you now have to do is solve this puzzle. Just drag this car. Okay, just drag this to where this car is and you confirm. So once you've actually solved the puzzle, it will actually take you, an OTP will be sent to your email, where you have to go to your email and pick the OTP, then fill on this section. So let's just go to our email. Okay, and let's allow it to load. So you see 234463. So you go and fill here. Let's confirm that. Okay, just click on verify. Invalid OTP, check your code and try again. Okay, let's check that code again. 234463. okay, okay, so it will now take you to this point where you have to add your mobile number, right? So you just come and choose your country of location, then include your mobile number here. Okay, then add your mobile number. An OTP will be sent to you, so you just fill that OTP. Then you create your account. Okay, so this is the first step of actually creating your account. So the next thing you have to do now is open a new browser on your phone or your laptop. Then go to kdp.amazon. As you are seeing, this one, kdp.amazon.com. So this one that you're actually seeing, Kindle Direct Publishing, kdp.amazon.com. Then just let's just allow it to load. Okay, so it will actually get you to this point. Now you don't have to join KDP again. If you click on this join KDP, it will take you to a section where you have to create a KDP account, since you've already opened an Amazon account. You understand? So you can actually use that one email and one password for any Amazon website. You understand? So all you just need to do is click on sign in. Okay, let's just allow it to load. So when you actually click on sign in, it should take you to this point where you have to come and agree. Just click on agree. Okay, let's allow it to load. So when you click on agree, it will just take you to the KDP website. Now you are on the KDP platform where you can now publish your books, you get. But you have to make sure that you complete your account information. As you're actually seeing here, your account information is incomplete. To publish a book, you will need to complete this. You understand? So all you need to do is complete now. So here is where you have to pay attention. You understand? So here is where you have to actually solve your OTP issue. So pay a rapt attention from this point. So all you need to do is click on update now. So you just click on update now, and at this point you're actually going to make sure that we set up our Google Authenticator, so that anytime they send us code, the code will actually be sent to our Google Authenticator. You understand? Not our phone. You get? So what you now do is come back to your Amazon shopping app or the amazon.com website. Now you see this point where you see your name. Just click on your name. You see your account. Click on accounts. You understand? So the next thing you have to click on is on login and security. Just click on login and security. Or you get? Then come to this point where you are seeing two-step verification. Click on turn on. You understand? So it will now actually take you to this point. So when it actually takes you to this point, the next thing you have to do, just leave this part that you're actually seeing where you have to include your number. Click on, look at this down, click on Authenticator app, just tick it. It will now get you to this point where you have to see, it will bring out this barcode for you. So what you have to do next is to just click on can't scan the barcode. Just click on can't scan the barcode. You understand? So when you click on can't scan the barcode, you will see an instruction. Can't scan the barcode. Open your Authenticator app and select manual add account. Then enter your name, type your full name, email address. Then the third option is enter your key. type the following key, space not required. So the next thing you have to do is copy this code. So this is the code that you use to actually paste on your Authenticator app. So copy the code. So once you copy the code, the next thing you have to do is to go to your Google Authenticator app, right? So once you've copied it, just go to your Authenticator app, you understand, then click on, now you can actually name this what any name that you actually can, any name that you can remember. You can just say Amazon, you understand. Then that code you copied from your from that barcode, just paste it here. Okay, so once you've pasted it here, okay, just click on add. You get, now your Authenticator now is working with your Amazon account, you understand. So the next thing you just need to do is go out from your Authenticator. Okay, so all you just need to do is just go back to this point where you generated that code that you actually pasted on your Authenticator app, you understand. Then you copy this code that is showing on your Google Authenticator and just paste on this field, then click on verify and continue, you understand. Now it will now take you to this point, you understand. So as you can see, almost done. So all you just need to do is scroll down. As you can see, suppress OTP challenge during sign in. You may suppress future OTP challenges by selecting don't require OTP on this browser. So just click on don't require OTP. Then the next thing you want to click on is turn on two-step verification, you understand. Just click on that. Let's allow it to load. As you can see, settings, approval, alert, enable, succeeded. So you have now linked your Amazon account to your Google Authenticator. So anytime you actually want to log into your Amazon account and they require OTP, all you just need to do is log on to that your Google Authenticator app, and you see the code there, copy the code and go and paste on the OTP section and just click on continue, you understand. So it's as easy as that. And please take note of this: any account, like the email that you're actually using for the Amazon account will be the email that you sign into on your Google Authenticator app. So you have to take note of that. So you have to take note of that. The email that you'll be using for your Amazon account will be the email that you sign in with your Google Authenticator app, you understand. So when you sign in and you now take that code and you paste, it will work perfectly, you understand. So let's just allow this to load. So when you've gotten to this point, you understand, this means that you have successfully connected your Google Authenticator app with your Amazon account, you understand. So anytime you want to log in, you just need to go to your Authenticator app and you copy the code there and input on the OTP section, then log in, you understand. So it's as easy as that. So the next thing we want to do is to go and fill our personal details and link our account details, then remove 30% tax so that we can get 100% of our royalties from Amazon, you understand. But before I do that, you know, earlier in the video I didn't actually show you how to actually log into your Google Authenticator app. So when you've downloaded your Google Authenticator app, okay, let's just allow it to load. Now this is my Google Authenticator app that I'm using in my system, you understand. So when you've downloaded it, all you just need to do is click on the app. It will log in. So if you've not connected any code, you've not pasted any code, this stuff won't be showing here. It will just be empty, you understand. Now once you've downloaded your app and you've opened the app, it will actually take you to this interface where you have to input your email address, you understand. So the email address you want to input is the one that you are using with your Amazon account. So all you just need to do, it might just show for you to input your address. If it is not showing, all you just need to do is come to this point where you are actually seeing this, you understand. Then click on it, then you add, it will now pop up and you add that email, you understand, you want to use. You see add another account, use without an account. You can use without an account, or you can also add an account. So all you just need to do is add your email address that is linked with your KDP account, you understand. Then click back. So if you want to paste your code, you just come to this plus sign here and you click on it. Then you see this enter setup key. This one is the one that you copied from that section of Amazon where you have to copy that I actually showed you. So you just click on it and it will take you to this point. You write the name that you could remember, paste your key and click on add. So it's as simple as that, you understand. So the next thing we want to do now is go to Amazon and set up our account so that we can start publishing. Then fill our account details and remove 30% tax so that we can actually receive 100% royalties from Amazon. So let's get going. So all you need now to do is to go back to kdp.amazon.com, you understand, so that you can log into your account and fill the rest of whatever we need to fill. So for me, I've imputed the email address and the password, so all I need to do is click on sign in. Now when you click on sign it may actually sign you in automatically. That is, if you've saved, you understand, if you've saved your login and maybe you've suppressed, you've said that it should not require OTP on this particular browser, you get. So let's just allow it to load, you understand. So for me, because I've actually suppressed login on this particular browser, that is, it will load automatically, you understand, because it will not now require OTP on this particular browser. But if I now take this login and say I want to log in with another browser, it will actually require OTP. Now if it requires OTP, all I need to do is to go to that my Google Authenticator app and copy the code that is currently showing there, then paste on the OTP section and log into the account, you understand. So for anybody who is actually watching this video, it might require OTP. If you've not, if you've actually followed whatever I've done in this video, it will not require OTP for you to actually log in, you understand. It will just log in for you automatically. But if it does require OTP, just go to your Google Authenticator app and copy the code, then paste in that section, then log in. It's as easy as that. So all you just need to do now is to click on update now. Okay, you see that it's requiring OTP. So as it's requiring OTP, we'll go back to our Google Authenticator app and copy the code that you are currently seeing, right? Okay, so you just copy the code and you impute 459. okay, and let's sign it. Okay, so it will actually sign us in to our Amazon account so that we can complete our details and get our account ready for publishing. So when you actually get to this point, what you actually get to do is to fill your personal details, right? So if you are registering under as a company, you can just come and click on this corporation. But if you are an individual, which means you are an independent publisher, all you need to do is click on this individual, you understand? Then you come down below and you fill your legal name just the way it is in your ID card, like any ID card that you're actually using in presenting to Amazon or like the KDP business. You just fill your legal name. So the first thing you start with is your first name, then you go with your last name. So for example, if the account, like the account that you'll be using to receive money from Amazon, it's bearing, like it has like 2 names, so just go with the 2 names. If it has 3 names, you also go with the 3 names, so that everything will correspond with, you understand? So when Amazon want to test your account, you don't have to verify anything, like everything is actually matching, you get? So you want to take note of that. So what we'll do next is to make sure that we fill our legal name just the way it appears in our ID card, or the way it appears in the bank that we are linking with Amazon to receive our money. So let's go ahead. Okay, so you just give a space and you impute your last name. Okay, so the next thing you do, you want to enter address. So you can just come down here and choose your country of residence. You get, you can just search for it. Okay, then you input your address. You get, just come here and input your address. Okay, then you input your city. You get, then the next thing, you input your province, your state, or your region. The postal code, you understand? Now to search for your postal code, you just go to Google and search for postal code of that your particular address. Now to just demonstrate it, all you just need to do is go to Google and say, for example, if you are in Port Harcourt, or you are in Abuja, or any place that you are, or any country, like any address that you are, just type postal code. Okay, just type the name of the city. As you can see, you see Port Harcourt postal code. So when you just search for it, you see that it will load up. So let's just allow it to load, and you see different options that you can use. So all you just need to do is copy one of these and go and fill on that postal code section. So you just copy one of these ones here. You can use this one, 500272. You get, so that will be used as your postal code. So all you just now need to do is to click on use this address, you understand? So the next thing is to impute your phone number, you understand? And this phone number won't actually be used, it's just for the purpose of just imputing your contact, you understand, your contact details, you get. So you just input your phone number here, you get. So okay, okay, so make sure you confirm the phone number. You understand? Whatever you actually fill in here, make sure that it is correct. You understand? So the next thing after filling your address and after filling your phone number, the next thing you actually want to fill is your bank that you'll be using to receive money from Amazon. You get. So if it is like the bank is located in the United States, you just click on United States. If it is located in UK, you just click on UK. You get. So let's just click on UK. Okay, if it's a checking account, you also click if it's a checking account. If it's a savings account, you click savings account. You understand? So as you've clicked UK, you see it's checking, just click on checking, then you come here and input your IBAN number, right? So let's just fill that up. Okay, okay, just make sure that whatever you are filling here is correct. Okay, make sure that whatever you are actually filling here is correct, because this is the account that you'll be using to receive your money from Amazon, and Amazon will actually have to test this if it is working. Okay, so this now you see your bank identifier code, BIC, also known as SWIFT code. So if it is not shown like BIC there, you can see something like SWIFT code. So all you just need to do is to make sure you fill the SWIFT code there. You understand? Okay, then you come and choose your date of birth. You get. So make sure you choose your date of birth here. Okay, and make sure it's correct. Please make sure it's correct. Okay, so you fill your account holder name, enter the name of the person or identity associated with the bank account. If the name doesn't match your bank's record exactly, we may not be able to deposit payment to your account. So you see what I'm saying? Everything must correspond with what you're actually doing. Like the bank that you are using, it must correspond with what is on Amazon. You get. And it must correspond with what is on your ID card. You get. So just input the name. You get. Just input the name. Okay, you get account holder name, select existing address, enter new address. You can just use this address. Please select. Okay, just select and use it. You get. So after filling all these details, all you just need to do is to come and click on add. You get. Just say no thanks. So the next thing you have to do first is to say, before we start filling our tax details, just come and click on save first. Make sure you save it first. Action needed: your account is not complete. Please update your account with the required information. Okay, you see that this one has been approved. Please update your account with the required information. I believe they're actually talking about our tax, so just click on it. Okay, now we're actually going to be setting up our tax information so that we can receive 100% royalties from Amazon. You get. So you come to this point, you are not a business, you are an individual, so just click on individual. You understand? Then this point, are you a US citizen? Just click on no. You get. Are you acting as an intermediary agent or other person receiving payment? Just click on no. You get. And you continue. Country of citizenship. So this point, you have to click, choose the country that you are from. You understand? Your country of citizenship. Just look for it and click on it. Then your permanent address, you change it to South Africa. That is if you actually want to get the 0% tax, 30% tax removed, for you to actually receive your full royalties. You understand? So go and look for South Africa. Okay, then the next thing for you to do is to change this address to a South African address. You understand? So you change the address to a South African address. So all you now need to do is to go to Google and you type on South Africa fake address generator. Just search it on Google. Now you see different options here. Just click on this one that you are seeing, best random tools, or you can just use anyone. All you just need is just the South African address. Now you see this, all these details here. You can use any of these details here and just fill on that point and you are good to go. You understand? So you just come here, you see this address line and all that stuff. Just come, you look for address there. Okay, we just look for the streets. Let's just use this one. Okay, you get. So the city, you just look for the city. Okay, so it's just as simple as this. Just okay, the province, you get, you see province here, you just copy. Okay, postal code. It can also be called zip code. You understand? It's the same thing. So you get. So at this point you just have to feel like an 11-digit number. You can just formulate anything, but let it just be 11-digit number. you understand, and fill at this point. Okay, so all you just need to do after you've imputed the 11-digit number is to click on continue. This place that they're actually saying I have a US thing, please don't check it, just leave it like that and click on continue. Okay, so the next thing you have to do now is to click on confirm. Preview, you click on preview. So it's just as easy as this. As you can see, please preview your information, then scroll down to the bottom of the page to sign and submit the form or make changes if needed. I consent to provide electronic signature, so you just go down, then I certify that I have the capacity to sign for the person identified on the line, you understand. So you just check this, then your signature, just impute your full name, you understand, just impute your full name, then just come down and just submit form. You see that your tax information has been received and successfully validated, so it is now applicable withholding rate 0% tax. So it's as easy as this. So this is just literally how to open your Amazon KDP account, fill your account details and verify your account, then connect your Google Authenticator app. Now I actually believe that this video has actually helped us, so please make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the Value Bank YouTube channel, and make sure you share this video to people that actually need them. So now you can now go and save, you understand. You see that tax interview completed, you get, so you can now save. You see success. So now you can now go and publish. So you see that stuff that is showing here is no longer showing again, that your account is incomplete. So now you have actually filled out everything correctly. So if you want to create your first book, all you just need to do, maybe you've written the book and you formatted, you just come to this point and click on create, you understand, then you upload the book, the title and everything. So once you get sales, you just come to this point that you're actually seeing reports, and all the saves that you make will be here. You see you have no published title yet, so once you've started making sales, you see that the thing will actually reflect here on the reports. So here is your bookshelf, here you actually see all your books. So when you start uploading books,